Hello students, now we are going to learn about image tracing on spherical mirror. There are some condition how to make image, how to trace image. तो हमें image किस टाइप कैसे बनानी है. So we are going to learn there are three fundamental conditions. First condition, I am considering it concave mirror. This is your pole, principal axis, center of curvature, focus. There is a first condition when a ray is incident parallel to principal axis, after that it will definitely go from focus. तो अगर आपकी कोई रे आ रही है which is parallel to principal axis, if ray is incident parallel to principal axis, after reflection it always pass through focus. तो आपकी जो रे है वो पास करेगी फोकस से. सेकेंड, if ray incident and passing through जो incident ray है, if incident ray is passing through center of curvature like this, if incident ray is passing through center of curvature, अगर आपको ऐसे जा रही है then after reflection again it will revert back. तो जैसे जा रही है वापस रिटर्न हो जाएगी, बिकॉज हमें इस सर्कल की प्रॉपर्टी पता है कि लाइन जॉइनिंग सर्कल जो लाइन जॉइन करता है सेंटर से उसके सर्कमफ्रेंस पे इट इज ऑलवेज परपेंडिकुलर. तो परपेंडिकुलर इज दैट मीन्स इट इज ए नॉर्मल इंसिडेंस इन विच एंगल इज जीरो. हमने पढ़ा हुआ है एंगल ऑफ डेविएशन में भी, इफ नॉर्मल इंसिडेंस तो हमारा डेविएशन एग्जैक्टली 180 डिग्री हो जाता है. दैट मीन्स रे जाएगी वापस आ जाएगी, बिकॉज this case in which incidence is normal incidence. Third case, if an incident ray is passing through focus, then after reflection it will parallel to principal axis. It is just opposite of first one. What I said, if a ray is passing through focus, then after reflection it is parallel to principal axis. So there are three conditions for tracing an image. First is when light is parallel to principal axis, after reflection it always pass through focus, that orange one. Second case is if a ray is passing through center of curvature, then it will return. Case 3, condition 3, if ray is passing through focus, then after reflection it is parallel to principal axis. Case 1. So there are three conditions: ray parallel to principal axis, ray incident ray after reflection it passes through focus, principal focus. Second, incident ray passing through center of curvature, then after reflection it will retrace its path. And condition 3 is just opposite of condition 1. If ray passing through principal focus, then after reflection it will pass through parallel to principal axis. If incident ray passes through principal focus, then after reflection it will parallel to principal axis. So these are the three conditions for tracing an image in spherical mirrors.